If you run a Shopify store, how many hours have you lost not just writing, but trying to optimize the perfect product listing, getting the SEO title right, writing persuasive descriptions, finding the right tags? It is the number one bottleneck to launching new products that actually sell. What if you could fire yourself from that job? What if you had an AI employee that the moment you create a new product, instantly optimizes all the content for you and updates the listing ready to go live? Today, we are building that AI employee. We are going to build an automated optimization engine that turns your rough product notes into a professional and high converting Shopify listing in under 60 seconds. I'm Adnan, the founder of Kaistra AI. At our firm, we do not just build automations, we architect the systems that give your business a true competitive advantage. On this channel, I'm taking you behind the scenes and showing you the exact strategies and builds we use to help our clients cut costs, save time, and drive profit. Let's architect your AI advantage. Let's talk about the grind. For every new product, you have to do hours of manual work. Writing titles, descriptions, and tags is painfully slow. Because you're rushing, the quality is inconsistent. Some listings have great SEO, others have none. The result? Poor search rankings, low conversion rates, and a massive delay in getting new products to market where they can actually make you money. To break free, you have to change your role. The old way is acting as a manual clerk, agonizing over every listing. Your time is the direct bottleneck to your store's growth. The new way is to elevate yourself to the role of an optimization architect. You design and build a system, an asset that applies best practices perfectly every single time, allowing your store to scale infinitely. And that system is what we are building today, the Shopify AI Listing Optimizer. Think of it as an expert co-pilot for every product you launch. It takes your simple, brain-dump style notes and instantly transforms them into a complete professional listing that is optimized for both search engines and human customers. The logic behind this engine is a simple three-step workflow. First, ingest. The system triggers the moment a new product is created in Shopify, ingesting the initial data. Second, optimize. An expert AI reads that data and writes the SEO title, HTML description, and tags with best practices built in. And finally, publish. The system pushes all that new optimized content back into product listing in your Shopify store. Ingest, optimize, publish. That's the entire workflow. Alright, currently we are inside NA10 and we can start our build. At first, let me quickly add a Shopify trigger. Search Shopify, and then from the drop down menu, on product created, click here. Now at first you have to connect your Shopify credentials by clicking here. So you will need your Shopify subdomain, the access token, and API secret key. You will get that from your Shopify settings, developer settings. And from here you will get a webhook URL. We are going to need that. Click here. So for now it's a test URL. That's okay. Okay, now let's head over to our Shopify store. We have to configure the webhook. Scroll down, click settings. Scroll down. From the left hand side, select notifications. Scroll down. Click on webhooks. Click on create webhook. And from the event drop down menu, click on product creation. The format will be JSON, and the URL section, just paste in your webhook URL, which we got from NA10. And after that, in the webhook API version, click here and select the latest one. Click on save. Done. Now let's create a new product in our Shopify. Now let's create a dummy product for our testing. You can name it something like Nomad Lantern and just paste a generic description. Our new portable lantern, just the basic specifications, but as you can see from here, it's not optimized for SEO, it's not optimized for human readers. So our AI will handle that, and in the media let's add a demo media. Cool. And let's add some pricing. Cool. From here in the product type we can add, and the vendor should be Summit Gear. Okay, so our title is not optimized, our description is not optimized, we do not have any tags here, so our AI will handle that. So before clicking on save, which will actually create the product, let's head over to N8N, and we have to do one thing here. Click on execute step. So currently it is listening for the test event. So now we can head over to Shopify and click on save. Right when the product is created, our N8N has already received the notification via the webhook URL. So everything is here. Cool. One thing we can do, we can just pin the data so that we do not have to run it again and again. After that, we'll add a simple code node from here. Paste in the code. So what we are doing with the code here, get the raw product data from the Shopify trigger, then it will extract the essential ingredients for our AI prompt, which is the product title, vendor, product type. Then it will clean the initial description by removing any HTML tags. If we do not have any description, it will return no initial description provided, but our AI will make that anyway. And then it will return a clean structured object for the later AI nodes: product title, vendor, product type, initial description, etc. So let's run this node here. Click on execute step. As you can see, it returned the product title, the vendor, product type, and the initial description. Cool. After that, we'll add our AI brain. So for that, I'll type in OpenAI, scroll down, I'm going to select messenger model. From the model selector drop down, I'm going to select GPT-4 mini. At first you have to connect your OpenAI account. It is not the ChatGPT Plus or Pro version. You have to get a separate OpenAI developer account from the developer portal, and after you load in some dollars into your account, you can create an API key, which you just click here and paste that API key here and click on save. That's it. Now we need to create a prompt for our AI brain. Let's paste in our prompt. So let me just delete whatever was there. We can just, okay. You are an expert e-commerce copywriter and SEO strategist specializing in Shopify. Your task is to take the basic product information and enrich it with compelling and SEO optimized content. At first it will get the product information, title. So I have to just drag and drop the product title from the previous code node's output. The vendor, drag and drop. Product type, drag and drop. Notes from the creator. I will just paste it in the initial description here. So here it goes. Then we provided some instructions: create SEO title, product description, SEO tags, product attributes, and the output format. Scroll down, check this option here, output content as JSON, otherwise the output won't be structured. GPT-4 mini, alright. Click on execute step. Alright, we got our AI result. Very cool. After that, we have one more thing to do, is to update our actual Shopify product listing. So I'm going to type in Shopify again, scroll down, update a product, click here. Connect your Shopify credentials, resource product operation update. Now we'll need a product ID. We can get that product ID from the very first Shopify trigger node here. This is the ID. Just click and drag and drop. Done. Now we need to add some fields which we need to update. Click on add field. At first the body HTML. So from our AI result, here's the description HTML. Just drag and drop. Nice. Then add tags. You got some SEO tags here from the AI. Just drag and drop. Done. One more thing to add, which is the title, properly optimized SEO title. Here is our SEO title. Drag and drop. Nice. Click on execute step. Nice. Our product has been updated. Now if we head over to Shopify and reload this page, nice. As you can see, we have a new SEO optimized title, a very cool looking description which is both optimized for search engines and humans. Why choose the Nomad Lantern? And we have the proper tags as well, all automatically created by AI. Very cool. And there you have it, a complete automated optimization workflow for your Shopify store. This isn't just about saving a few hours. This is about building a professional, scalable operation. It's about ensuring every single product you launch has the best possible chance to rank, convert, and make you money from day one. Now, I want to hear from the store owners out there. What is the single most painful, repetitive task you have to do in your Shopify store? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, smash that like button. It helps the channel a lot. And if you want more AI builds and strategies that can help you elevate your business in this era of AI, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.